Hi, welcome back to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a yummy non-veg recipe, mutton keema fry. It goes very well with dosa, chapati and rasam sadam. Let's see how to do it. Heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Oil is hot, add finely chopped 2 medium-sized onion. Always use less oil, as you know mutton contains lot of fat. Give a quick stir. Add little bit of salt to cook the onion quickly and saute for a few minutes. Now the onion has changed its color. Add curry leaves and saute for a few minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until you don't feel the raw smell of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding 300 grams of finely mashed keema. Just saute the keema with the onion. 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add salt. Mix it well so that the masala will coat the keema. Add 1 small tomato finely chopped. I am using finely mashed keema. So just cover the vessel and cook it for 5 minutes. If you want to pressure cook it for 1 to 2 whistles. After 5 minutes, it's cooked well. Now you see mutton has oozed out the oil. Open and cook for some more time. Check for salt. If you want, add some more now. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Mutton keema fry is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.